It will be very difficult for you on film to see the slip stitch demonstration in this because the colour would prevent you seeing the stitching. So I prepared a board here with a piece of fabric on that's dark in colour using a white thread or a natural colour thread to show you how the stitching would be done on here. It's the same sort of stitching you would do on the back or arms or any outside stitching that needs doing to join two pieces of fabric together on the outside of a chair. Now you can see this here, this piece I've already sewn, and although it's sewn with white thread you can't see the thread because when it's pulled tight it disappears. Now the way we do this is we actually we put our needle into one side at a time. Now where the thread comes out is coming out the top layer at the moment. I'm going to put my needle behind that thread, just a fraction, 1/16 of an inch, and then bring it out alongside that piece of fabric that's folded over to it. In case you couldn't see that stitch from the angle we were filming, we're just going to demonstrate again from a different angle. So as you can see, the last stitch has been in the bottom layer of fabric, and there's the folded layer going over the top of it. Now it's easy if you pull your thread straight like that so you can see where it last came out. And then I need to go about a 1/16 of an inch behind on the fabric that's folding. Make sure I'm picking up one layer only of the fabric, pulling my needle through, and when I pull it tight it folds in and folds over. If you take 2 layers of that fabric it won't do that. And then again pull your thread across so you can see where it comes out, go slightly behind and pick up the fabric underneath, and again when you pull it the thread will disappear. And this is an invisible stitch that you can use on the outside of your upholstery, and as you can see really the colour of your thread should be irrelevant.